Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying exactly what you need. This saves time and money. Describe length, output format, turnaround time, and budget. Once done, choose hiring type, freelancer, agency, or marketplace, because each offers different guarantees and workflows. Make sure to assemble 1-2 sample clips plus a concise brief showing tone, pacing, and references. This first step locks expectations so proposals match your needs, and it speeds vetting when you start searching on platforms and communities. Now you evaluate editors by their work and process. Watch reels for pacing, color grading, audio balance, and motion graphics quality. These show what they do well. Next, request 3 proposals that list price, revision rounds, milestones, and final file types. This helps you compare apples to apples. Once you narrow choices, ask for a brief paid test edit or a short sample to confirm communication and turnaround. This reduces risk and reveals how they handle your brief under real conditions. When you decide, onboard the editor with a kickoff that restates scope, timelines, and milestone payments. Put it in writing so there's no confusion. During the project, share media via cloud storage, use clear file naming, and leave timestamped comments to speed revisions. Make sure to review each milestone promptly and provide focused feedback. If things go wrong, pause further payments, document specific issues with screenshots or timestamps, and request a corrective plan. This protects your project and gets it back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.